వాసవి గ్రూప్ 1994లో ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేశామండి. లాస్ట్ 25-26 ఇయర్స్లో వీఆర్ కంప్లీటెడ్ మెనీ వెంచర్స్, అప్రాక్సిమేట్ 50 వెంచర్స్ వీఆర్ కంప్లీటెడ్ అండ్ హ్యాండెడ్ ఓవర్ టు ద సొసైటీ. వీఆర్ వెరీ మచ్ స్ట్రగుల్డ్ ఇన్ ద లాస్ట్ 25 years, but we are now planning to complete another 50 million square feet in next 5 years.
Srinivasulu, Director of Vasavi Group. You know everybody, the real estate market in Telangana is growing a lot. Accordingly, we planned very big projects. Here in Vasavi Group, considering the all categories of the society, lower income group, upper income group, middle income group, we planned different projects with the different categories. Right now, in ongoing projects, the biggest project is Vasavi Urban. It is particularly planned for lower and upper middle class people. It is located in Bachpalli, just adjacent to VNR Vignan College, Engineering College. You know, now Kukatpalli is completely filled, completely become concrete jungle, no space for any apartments or any dwelling units. So we thought Bachpalli is the ideal location. We made a big survey. We identified 22 acres of land. There we are coming up with 3714 flats. The biggest number of flats right now from our Vasavi Group. It is totally designed for middle class segment. The flats are ranging from 875 to 950. All are 2-bedroom flats. This project, this particular project is under PMAY scheme, Prime Minister Awas Yojana. Whatever the benefits in PMAY scheme, all are extended in our project. We got HMDA permission, RERA permission. Almost all nationalized and private banks has given approval for housing loans. The work started, just started. It is in full swing. Tentatively, we are planning to complete by 40 months. This is the flagship project right now in our company. We are inaugurating 3 projects. One is Vasavi Urban, located at Bachpalli. Other one is Vasavi Metropolis. It is in Uppal. You know that Uppal government has made auction. It is the project is just abutting to metro office or metro junction, and it is a residential project with 4 lakhs SFT built up area. And the third one is Green Leaf. It is a layout project, basically luxury villa project. It is just abutting to Leonio Resorts in Shamirpet. Just got permission from HMDA, waiting for other approvals. RERA also we got it. These 3 projects today we are launching. On successful completion of 26 years of journey under guidance of our dynamic CMD Eram Vijay Kumar Garu, we are happy to announce a special gift Banoja for all the new customers, that is customers who are going to book today. We are giving a special offer, 26 grams gold coin we are giving over the MSP price. For urban, we have the price sheet, sir, you can note down. It is for 975 SFT, 42 lakhs. This includes amenities, car parking, water, power and infrastructure charges, clubhouse charges, all including. Just the customer has to pay 1% GST. Because being a PMAY project, the GST normally it is 5%. For this project, it is only 1% and 6% registration charges. That's all. It includes everything. This is only for limited period, and even this gold coins offer also for limited period. This project is being located in the not outskirts. We have left 70% open area for greenery and landscaping. Though people feel that this is a affordable project, here we are providing excellent facilities what we are doing in premium projects. If you take clubhouse, we have 3 beautiful clubhouses, because this area is being 22 acres. To cater the requirements of the occupants, we planned 3 clubhouses at 3 corners with excellent amenities. What you get with 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 price where builders are selling, the projects where high-end or premium, what they are calling, the facilities in the premium projects, whatever is there, here also we are providing wonderful facilities like AC gymnasium, banquet hall, swimming pool, kids play area, indoor games, walking track, and pharmacy, ATM, everything we are providing. Because this is being a big gated community, we are catering all requirements in the gated community. Supermarket, provision store, spa, beauty parlor, everything we are providing. They need not go outside. Everything is available within the compound. And this is the biggest project in the vicinity of the Bachupalli. And the prices are very much affordable. And we have got already 1,000 bookings, 1,000 confirmed bookings. And shortly, after March 31st, April 1st week or 2nd, we are planning to increase the rate. So I request everybody to book the flats and get this gold coin bonanza. Here, one more thing, people think that this is affordable and low. It is not like that. We are giving excellent specifications. This entire structure is aluminum formwork designed for the earthquake resistance, totally RCC walls, no brickwork at all. And the inside fittings and flooring, everything will be premium quality. We have 2 model flats in our site, similar to our project, with all whatever the specifications we are providing. The customers can see all rich specification. Again, I am repeating, though it is a premium affordable project, we are providing all premium specifications.